Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale. Let's select the original mesh, and add the emission shader. For the second mesh, let's max out the transmission and transmission roughness settings. I found the transmission settings create this cool-looking material that transfers the light from within. We can change the first sphere's emission setting, or move it around to customize the overall appearance. Let's create a ground plane and render the scene. Let's add some noises to the ground plane. I'll use the sky texture. If I change the inner core's color to yellow, the outer shell's material will change to green. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.